everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today we got another weed eater brush cutter video. Hope everybody's doing well, and if you hadn't subscribed to the channel, the button's just right down there. Help me out there. So today I'm going to show you how I change out the grass trimmer head on my Stihl FS91, this guy right here. This is a Stihl Auto Cut 25-2. And if you look a couple of videos over, I show you how I clean and service this blade. This is a Renegade hybrid carbide blade. First off, all you need is a pin that comes from the dealer or a screwdriver of the same size. That right there. You need that. You need a 3/4 wrench or socket. You need the little hub that comes from Stihl and the nut. This little nylock nut. So let me drill you in here. Alright, so the threads are left-hand threads. So you take your pin or screwdriver, there's a hole right here. I'm going to take a picture of it and I'll put it right here. You turn it till it locks, just like that. And then it's lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. So I'm going to turn it back, just like this. Set it down right here, and you got to have this. This is a little hub assembly where it locks. Got a raised lip right here. That's where the blade sits. You put it back on here. You make sure everything's good and clean. There's an arrow that indicates the direction that the blade's supposed to turn. So it's counterclockwise, I guess. Yep. If you're looking at it, it's counterclockwise. Put the hub on, and then lefty-tighty. Backwards, just like me. Make sure your sockets turn, your wrench is turned the right way. You want this one tight. Now the grass trimmer head, you don't want it torqued down, but you want this one torqued down because you don't want it to come zinging over. Turn it and make sure you got it straight. Still sitting on the lip. Perfect. Teeth are pointed in the right direction and the whole bit. And that's all it is to it. That's all there is to it. I'm going to let it cool off a little while this evening, and I'm going to go out back and cut some limbs and stuff that are hanging down and whatnot. This is a perfect tool to do it. Hope this helps somebody. You know, not everybody knows how to zing these things off. I didn't know how until I watched a video on how to do it. So if you hadn't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that button for me. Hit that like button. Hit that bell to be notified. I'm at 902 subscribers. Bump me on up there. I'd really appreciate it. Leave me a comment and question if you want to. I hope everybody's having a great day and a great afternoon. And until the next video, thanks for watching. What the crap was that? That car got something dragging on in front of it. That wasn't good.